Hi guys, my name is Roger and in today's video we are going to use the TB-3 and the SP-808. I will show you how to create the bass line of Josh Wink's Higher State of Consciousness, and we're going to use the SP-808 for the overdrive effect. So curious? Here we go!
The sequence we are going to create with the TB-3 is this one. We put the TB-3 in step recording. Step number 1 is the G with the slide tie. Step number 2, the E. Step number 3, G with the slide tie. Step number 4, G with the slide tie. Step number 5, the E. Step number 6, G. Step number 7, B. 8, G. 9, B. 10, G with the slide tie. G. Step number 11. Step number 12, B. Step number 13, G, slide tie. Step number 14, G, slide tie. Step number 15, E. And step number 16, G. Now I'm going to show you how to use the distortion of the SP-808 to make a sequence with this sound, with this patch. So here we go. So now we're going to make the TB-3 scream with using an SP-808 Groovesampler. I have connected the 808 to my mini mixer over here as an effect machine, so signal is coming in and signal is coming out. I will start the sequence and you will notice something on the screen, that the TB-3, the sound of the TB-3 is only on the left channel because I have connected output left, input left only on the left channel because my mixer is only supporting mono effect. But if I turn on now the real-time effects, you will notice that it becomes stereo. Now I will change, instead of having a vocal, I will change it to the guitar mode. And you already hear the difference. So let me cut off the resonance. What I'm now going to do, I'm going to adjust this effect, the guitar effect, the B01 effect. I will adjust it now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take out the delay, I'm going to add the compressor, the wah, and the amp simulator I'm going to change it to small, and instead of distortion I will use an overdrive. So this is it. This is already enough to make your TB-3 scream. So, if you combine this with some beats, you get something like this. Easy as 1, 2, 3, don't you think? This is a way to make your TB-3 scream, because listen to the difference. This is the effect of the 808. And this is the original sound of the TB-3. Patch number 2, original patch. Okay, of course I can choose patch number 11, which is also good, but I do like this from the SP-808. So just another simple explanation about this TB-3, this little small machine, and the SP-808, the effects of the SP-808. So I hope you liked it, and see you next time. Thank you, bye bye.